How to suggest your TikTok account to others. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to suggest your TikTok account to others on TikTok app. Easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are there, click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. And here you're gonna find the second option, which is privacy. Click on it and you have suggest your account to others. Click on it. You have those options, which is contact, Facebook friends, people with mutual connection, or people who open or send links to you. Turn on these options and this is it. Easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.